In today's video, I plan to tell you guys my most valuable secret strategy that I use for different accounts. Normally, if you're an airdropper, you'll be most likely to have multiple accounts. But in case you are new to crypto, you need to know that in the airdrop market, everyone most likely have many accounts. Some people even have up to 20 accounts just for Hamster Kombat. Some have 100. But as for me, I can't manage much accounts, so I only have like 7 accounts. So now, fellas, like I said, I'll be telling you one of my top logic, or let me call it strategy that I use on my accounts. This strategy will make us good money. It's going to make us get a very good amount of allocation by the time the Hamster airdrop distribution begins. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible, and at the same time make sure you guys understand it perfectly. Without further ado, I'll tell you guys the strategy now. Although I've already dropped this information in my Telegram channel before I even begin to make this video you're watching right now, because it's very easy for me to quickly drop significant information as soon as I get it on the Telegram group rather than having to start making video here. Moreover, it's only in this Telegram group that you can get to chat with me personally to ask any questions relating to cryptocurrency or money making in general. Therefore, if you're not in this group, you should hurry to join it right now by using the link that I'll provide in this video's description and also pin in the comment section. With that being said, I need to let you guys know that it's not only Hamster Kombat that can make us money. As a matter of fact, there are other, more significant Telegram mining projects that are even better than Hamster due to their heavy financial backing. So, I'll drop a link to the top 6 of these Telegram projects that I think you guys shouldn't miss in this video's description and also pin it in the comment section. Therefore, please do not ignore any of those projects. So what is the strategy? First of all, we will go directly to the Hamster Kombat application. You can see what it looks like. The first announcement I want to make is that Hamster Kombat has announced that profit per hour is important. Everyone knows this. Using this announcement, people are making their balances go to zero, not caring about their balances. However, if you look closer at the announcement, they have not said that the mining token you are tapping and earning is useless. People have just assumed it is useless, but no official announcement has stated that. We will take this into consideration and build a strategy using this simple method. So, first of all, I'll share the simple strategy, the requirement. You need to have a profit per hour of more than 1.6 million per hour. That's the first condition. The second condition is that the coins I earn through tap and earn or other methods. Your normal total coin should not be less than 1 billion. You might be wondering why I'm asking to accumulate so much. Just chill, I'll tell you why right now. Hamster Kombat has more than 150 million total users presently, and it is getting viral, and lots of non-crypto users are playing for fun. If you compare this to Notcoin, which had about 35 million users, the market cap of Notcoin during its listing was $1 billion. Given the number of users in Hamster Kombat, the market cap could be at least twice that of Notcoin, reaching $2 billion. The price of Hamster Kombat tokens could be 0.004, considering the doubled market cap. Let me explain this with a very good example. Let's assume I have 1 billion tokens at the time of listing. I won't be able to swap the entire 1 billion tokens. There will be a conversion ratio, possibly 1:100,000 due to the huge community. So 1 billion tokens divided by 100,000 is equals to 10,000 tokens. At a price of $0.004, this will give me approximately $400. This is my own logic. You can comment whatever your own observations is. I'm open to hearing your comments and feedbacks. This is just one of my strategies, and I felt like sharing it with you. If you have multiple accounts, like maybe 15 or 20, you might be able to apply this strategy to one of them. Though I've already dropped this trick on my Telegram channel since, and my members are already enjoying it because it's much easier for me to quickly drop cheats and money-making stuffs on my Telegram channel rather than making a video to be posted here. And the thing is, it's only in this group that you'll get to chat with me personally and ask questions. So if you're not already in this Telegram group, you should hurry to with the link I'll provide in this video description and also pin in the comment section. With that being said, I need to let you guys know that it's not only Hamster Kombat that can make us money. As a matter of fact, there are other, more significant Telegram mining projects that are even better than Hamster due to their heavy financial backing. So, I'll drop a link to the top 6 of these Telegram projects that I think you guys shouldn't miss in this video's description, and also pin it in the comment section. Therefore, please do not ignore any of those projects. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this.